We're burning our Christmas trees. Woohoo! Nearly full moon. No blossoms yet, but I saw my first blossoms today in Saint-Gaudens.
Like a big firework. I bet the cat would scared right now.
Yeah, I would be. If I was that.
The evenings are getting longer. What time do you think it is, Ro?
Ooh, it must be after 7.
After 7, and it's still light. And it's... what's the date today?
It's the 16th.
16th of February.
That went pretty quickly.
Yeah, that was a bit of a flash in the pan.
Yeah. We're just making gentle crackling noises.
But it might even go out because it's on top of the rest.
Oh yeah. That flame needed to be underneath.
It was to start with.
Did you use a match?
One match.
Did you put any paper underneath?
No.
No clouds today at all. No clouds. That is blue, by the way. It doesn't look like blue, but it is.
See?
No clouds. See when I go up, Heidi? It looks grey, but it's blue. Very blue.
Very blue.
Heidi, is that a Christmas tree or an orange tree?
An orange tree. No, it's called a fire blaze tree.
It looks like kind of orange candy that you could just pick up and eat.
Go for it.
Fire